Hi, we are showing you the Eletta app. First, we have to pair the watch with your iPhone. Make sure that the Bluetooth of your watch is turned on. To turn on Bluetooth, press this button at 3 o'clock for 3 seconds. The light at 12 o'clock will blink. Bluetooth is now turned on. Anytime you want to check if Bluetooth is turned on, just press this button once. You can see the light blinks a few times. If there's no light, the Bluetooth is turned off. Now, you should have your iPhone ready. Bluetooth turn on and the app download. Open the app, tap Eletta. You see the notification. Eletta would like to send you notification. I'll choose Allow. Now, the phone will automatically search for your watch. It has found the Eletta watch. Tap Eletta. That's the message. Device paired. Shake your watch to accept the connection. So I'll shake the watch. Okay. Now we come to time setting. We need to tell the watch exactly where the 3 hands. Now we receive the message, Bluetooth pairing request from the phone. So I'll choose pair. Okay. After this, we need to tell the phone exactly where the 3 hands of the watch are located. The phone will then send command to the watch and automatically adjust the hand's position to synchronize with the correct time on the phone. Now we tap our hand. It is now 6 o'clock. And minute hand is now 26. And then the second hand, which is now 19 minutes. Okay. So our hand at 6, minute hand at 26, and second hand at 19. So after telling the phone where the hands are, you press done. And the hand will automatically move to synchronize with the clock on the phone. These are some basic information about the app. And we press get started. For operation of the watch, I will not go into detail. Here I will run through the app and show you the function. This is the menu button. This is UV index, fitness. Just now this is camera, and this is alert. This is the menu button. You can find it on every page. We'll go through this first. For the first item, profile, you can input your personal data. This is alarm clock. You can set the alarm. Tap any one of these. I've set it just now. You can turn on and off the alarm, set the time, and choose to repeat it or not. Repeat it every Sunday and Monday and Thursday. So the alarm is set. And at the alarm set time, the watch will vibrate with blinking light and the phone will ring. Going to time pairing, you can readjust the hand's position here. For example, if you go to another time zone, you can just press auto time setting and the watch will sync once again with the time on the phone. For fine-tuning of the hands, you can tap hand adjustment. First, just the hour hand, 6 o'clock, and next will be the minute hand, which is now at 57. And next, the second hand is 2. Okay. So press complete. The hands will move to show the current time. And for disconnect button. This button is to disconnect the watch from the phone temporarily. You'll receive this message to remind you that you have to go to setting to really disconnect this watch from the phone, because if not, the watch will be automatically reconnected soon. Okay, I'll cancel it now. Then we come to fitness setting. We can set this sedentary alert, which means that now that I set it to 15 minutes. So if I do not move for 15 minutes, there will be alert on the watch vibration and watch light. And also we can set the target steps here. And this number will be used to compare with the actual step we took. So maybe I fix it at 6,000. We can also check this data from the watch. You can just press this button 3 times, and then it will show the data from the watch. This is easier to see here. After you press 3 times, the hand will first move to this activity icon, and then it will move within this region, showing 0% here or 100% completion of the target step. For this reset button, it will clear all the steps data in the phone. For this about. This is the version of the Eletta app. This is a version of the firmware in the watch, and this is the battery level of the watch. And tap help. You can see some FAQ answered. We have just finished the menu page. We can now go into the main function pages. First page is the UV index. This page shows the UV index data collected by the watch. To collect data, press this button once. The hand point to UV, and then it will show the UV level, which is 0 now, almost 0 now because we are indoor. And this data will be transferred into the watch, to the phone. Press here. You can see that actually I've captured twice today the data. At 1901, I've done it once here with 0 level, and earlier at 1843, I also collected this once. So all the history will be shown here. At the lower half, at the upper half, this is the message correspond to the level of the most recent one. The second page is fitness. The watch is a pedometer. The number of steps taken is updated regularly here. Because this is just a newly installed Eletta app, there's no step data here. But you can tap here to see today's data here, show by hour. And the distance, steps, time, energy, all the data shown here. And you can also see the history. Because I have no data here, I have taken the picture to show how it will look like with all the data. This is the history file showing different dates and different number of steps taken every day. And when you tap on this is a picture, but in the actual app, when you tap on the date, they will show the number of steps taken in that day. Okay, back to the app. And all this data, the data collected, can be shared by different social media. Okay, the third page is camera. Here we can use the watch as a remote control. Press here to access the camera. The first time you use the app will ask you to allow access to the camera and access to the photo. Okay, so now I can move it. Okay, to take a picture. To take a picture, I only need to move the watch, and you can see that I have captured the photo. Back to the app. Last page is the alert page. We set all the alert function of the watch here. This is the do not disturb button. You can turn it on and set the start time and end time when all the alert function of the watch is turned off. For example, at night after 10 o'clock until 8 o'clock in the morning. And also for this watch, all this alert I can turn on. So when I receive phone call or message or email or disconnection. And also different type of social media. For example, I turn on WhatsApp and Viber. So when the function is turned on, the alert will be in the form of watch vibration. It will vibrate and with blinking light. Only exception is the disconnection alert. For this one, the phone will also ring. Okay, one more function that will access the phone audio is the find the phone function. To find the phone, simply press this button 2 times. The phone will ring. Then you can find your phone. This is the Eletta app. Thank you for watching.